Namo Namaha, myself Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Dhanyatau Datru Yachakau Part 2. दिग्विजयानन्तरं रघुः विश्वजितनाम्नि यज्ञे अशेषं धनं दानरूपेण अयच्छत्. दिग्विजयानन्तरं means after conquering the directions. Vijay. After conquering the direction, Raghuhu अशेषम धनम दान रूपेण अयच्छत. Raghu अयच्छत gave. Raghu gave अयच्छत लंगलकार. Raghu gave अशेषम धनम दान रूपेण all the wealth. अशेषम धनम all the wealth दान रूपेण in the form of charity. In the form of charity. विश्वजित नामनी यज्ञे sacrifice सप्तमी विभक्ति. In the name of Vishwajit sacrifice. After conquering the directions, Raghu gave away all the wealth in the form of charity in the name of Vishwajit sacrifice. रिक्तहस्तं रघुं दृष्ट्वा कौस्यः निवृत्तः. रघुं दृष्ट्वा त्वान्तव्ये seeing रघु. दृष्ट्वा रघुं seeing रघु. रिक्तहस्तं रिक्त empty. हस्तं handed. Seeing रघु empty handed. कौस्यः निवृत्तः. कौस्य turn back. कौस्य turn back. निवृत्तः कर्तरी भूतकालवाचक धातुसाधित विशेषण. रघुः तम आहूय आगमनस्य प्रयोजनम् अपृच्छत्. आहूय लेबन्तव्ये. After calling him Raghu अपृच्छत्. Calling him Raghu अपृच्छत् ask. लंगलकार. Raghu asked him. After calling him Raghu asked him प्रयोजनम् आगमनस्य the purpose of his arrival. प्रयोजनम purpose, आगमनस्य arrival the purpose of his arrival. After calling him Raghu asked him the purpose of his arrival. तदा कौस्य अवदत्. रघो अहम गुरुदक्षिणार्थं 14 कोटि सुवर्णमुद्राः गुरवे दातुम् इच्छामि. तदा then कौस्य अवदत् लंगलकार. कौस्य said, O Raghu, अहम I दातुम् इच्छामि. I wish दातुम् तु मंतव्ये. I wish to give गुरवे to the guru, to the preceptor 14 कोटि सुवर्ण मुद्राः 14 crore gold coins guru dakshinartham as guru dakshina. Then Kausya said, O Raghu, aham datum ichchami. I wish to give to the preceptor Gurave 14 crore suvarna mudra 14 crore gold coins as guru dakshina. किंतु भवान पूर्वम एव सर्वस्वदानम अकरोत्. किंतु but भवान this word is used for his respect. You are respected one, but you are respected one given away. सर्वस्व दानम अकरोत् given away everything. सर्वस्व everything. Given away everything in charity. दानम. Given away everything in charity. पूर्वम एव before itself. But your respected one has given away everything सर्वस्व in charity. पूर्वम एव before itself. अतः अहम अन्यत्र गच्छामि. Hence अहम I अन्यत्र elsewhere. गच्छामि going. लेट लकार. Hence I am going elsewhere. रघुः अवदत् हे कौस्य तिष्ठ. रघु अवदत्. Raghu said, O कौस्य तिष्ठ means wait. लोट लकार. तिष्ठ लोट लकार. Wait. मम यज्ञशालायां विश्रामं कुरु. विश्रामं rest. मम यज्ञशालायां rest in my sacrifice hall. रेस्ट इन माय सॅक्रिफाईस हॉल. कुरु लोटलकार. रेस्ट इन माय सॅक्रिफाईस हॉल. अहम निश्चयेन तव सहाय्यं करोमि. अहम आय. निश्चयेन डेफिनेटली. श्युअरली. श्युअरली आय विल हेल्प यू. श्युअरली आय विल हेल्प यू. कौशस्य गुरुभक्त्या प्रभावितः रघु कुबेरम् आक्रान्तुं सङ्कल्पम् अकरोत्. रघुः प्रभावितः. रघु प्रभावितः. रघु वाज इम्प्रेस. रघु वाज इम्प्रेस कौशस्य गुरुभक्त्याः by the cautious devotion towards the preceptor, towards his guru. Towards his guru. Akarot, decided. Sankalpam akarot, decided. Kuberam akrantum. Akrantum to mantave, to attack Kuber. To attack Kuber. Raghu prabhavitah. Raghu was impressed by Kausyasya Guru Bhaktyaha. Cautious devotion towards his preceptor. Sankalpam akarot, decided. Kuberam akrantum. Akrantum to mantave, to attack Kuber. Raghu was impressed by cautious devotion towards his preceptor, decided to attack Kuber. कुबेरः रघोः भयात् आक्रमणात् पूर्वम् एव प्रभूतां सुवर्णवृष्टिम् अकरोत्. कुबेरः रघोः भयात्. कुबेर रघोः भयात्, out of the fear of Raghu. Raghoः, out of the fear of Raghu. वृष्टिम् अकरोत्. वृष्टिं showered. वृष्टिम् अकरोत् showered. प्रभूतां सुवर्णम्, a lot of gold coins. A lot of gold coins. पूर्वम एव आक्रमणात्, before the attack itself. पूर्वम एव आक्रमणात्, before the attack itself. Kuber, out of fear of Raghu, showered many gold coins, a lot of gold coins. Prabhutam, a lot of gold coins before the attack itself. Akramanat purvam eva, before the attack itself. Tata drushtva संतुष्टः रघुः कौश्यम् आहूय सर्वं सुवर्णं तस्मै दातुम् ऐच्छत्. दृष्ट्वा त्वान्तव्ये, seeing that Raghu संतुष्टः, was happy. Raghu was happy. Seeing that Raghu was happy, calling Kausya, Ahuya, Labantave, called Kausya, and Etchat, Datum Etchat, wish to give. Datum tumantave, Datum Etchat, wish to give him Sarvam Suvarnam, all the gold. Sarvam Suvarnam, all the gold. Drushtva tata, seeing that Raghu santushtaha, Raghu was happy, and called Kausya, Ahuya, called Kausya, and wish, Datum Etchat, and wish to give him all the gold. Seeing that Raghu, who was happy, called Kausya and wished to give him all the gold. Kintu निस्पृहः कौस्यः अवदत्, भोः राजन्, अहं केवलं गुरुदक्षिणार्थं 14 कोटि सुवर्णमुद्राः अभिलषामि, न वाञ्छामि अधिकं. किन्तु बट निस्पृहः कौस्यः, निस्पृहः the desireless Kausya, निस्पृहः desireless, selfless, desireless Kausya, अवदत् said, भोः राजन्, O king, अहं केवलं, I only, अभिलषामि wish, I only wish for 14 कोटि सुवर्णमुद्राः, 14 crore gold coins, गुरुदक्षिणार्थं, as Gurudakshina. But the desireless Kausya said, O king, I only wish for 14 crore gold coins as Gurudakshina. Na vachami adhikam. Adhikam, more. Vachami, do not want or do not wish. Do not want or do not wish. So I do not want more. I do not wish more. Raja sarvasvam datum etchat. Kintu yachakah adhikam adatum na abhyalashat. Raja, king, sarvasvam datum etchat, etchat wish, sarvasvam datum give, everything. King wished to give everything. King wished to give everything. Kintu, but yachakah, the sadhak, the seeker. Na abhyalashat. Abhyalashat, langlakar, did not desire. Did not desire. Adhikam adatum, to take more. Adatum, to take more. Take. To take tumantavya, to take more. King wished to give everything, but the seeker did not desire to take more. अनेन प्रसंगेन दानशूरः रघुः तथा निरीक्षः कौत्स्यः च द्वापि साकेतजनानां कृते पूजनीयौ अभवताम्. अनेन प्रसंगेन, प्रसंग इंसिडेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंसिडेंट और ड्यू टू दिस इंसिडेंट, दानशूरः, द चैरिटेबल रघु, तथा एंड द निरीक्षः कौत्स्यः, निरिच्छः, डिजायरलेस कौत्स्य, द्वापि, both are become पूजनीयौ अभवताम, रिस्पेक्टेबल, पूजनीयौ अभवताम, रिस्पेक्टेबल, साकेत जनानाम, फॉर द पीपल ऑफ साकेत, साकेत जनानाम कृते, फॉर द पीपल ऑफ साकेत. Because of this incident, the charitable Raghu and the selfless or desireless Kausya both are become respectable for the people of Saket. In this way, the students we done this lesson Dhanyatau Datru Yachakau. What we learn from this lesson? Through this lesson, values like charity and selflessness are made live in the form of Raghu and Kausya respectively. धन्यवादः.